everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Shang martial arts lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to be collecting all 10 rings to hopefully power up our gauntlet so that way we can defeat the evil black dragon. Okay, so here's what we're going to practice today. We're going to start with the warm-up. Ready yet? Can Awesome. Alright, ready? We're going to start with jumping jacks. You guys repeat nice and loud after me. I would say Hana, Dur, Set, Net, Toss it. Good. Awesome. Start swinging your arms like this. Ready? Hana, Dur, Set, Net, Toss it. Good. Going the other way now. Hana, Dur, Set, Net, Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Now we're going to bend down to one side. We're going to crouch just like this. I'm saying Hana. Now switch sides. Dur, Set, Net, Toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Shake your hands, shake your legs a little bit. Okay, now at the very bottom of the screen, you're going to see 10 different parts of the video. For each different part, we're going to cover a different topic, and when we complete that part, we get one of the 10 rings. We need 10 total, okay? So it's going to be a longer video today. Ready? Alright, I have a face here. Ready yet? Can Awesome. Alright, we're going to start with the first part of the lesson. We're going to practice some punching. So when I say fighting stance, we're going to have one foot back, both hands up. Fighting stance. Awesome, good. Alright, so we're going to go over a jab, cross, hook. So when I say jab, we're going to take our front hand, our lead foot, we're going to throw one punch like this. Then we're going to take our right hand, we're going to go cross, and then we're going to go left hook. Just like that. See, I'm turning my heel, so let's practice that together. Ready? Everyone say jab, cross, hook. Awesome, good. Again, go jab, cross, hook. Awesome, good. 2 more times. Jab, cross, hook. Awesome, good. One more. Jab, cross, hook. Awesome, good. Alright, now this time, we're going to go jab, cross, and then after we hook, or as we're hooking, we're going to move laterally this way, okay? So again, together, I'm going to go jab, cross, hook. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, go jab, cross, hook. Awesome, good, good. Again, one more. Jab, cross, hook. Awesome, awesome. Very good job. Alright, now here's what we're going to do next. This time, hands up like this, we're going to be throwing some punches. Now as we do these punches, we got to be moving left and right. There's going to be a big energy beam that's going to be shooting at us. We got to be moving left and right so we don't get hit by the beam. Does that make sense? Awesome. Alright, hands up like this. Alright, I'm going to start punching. Ready? We're going to move this way first. Ready? Move. Good, good, good. Other way now. Go. Good, good job, man. Go. Good, go. Awesome, good, go. Good, keep pumping those arms, ready, go. Good, 2 more, go. Good, and 1 more, go. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Good, good, good. Awesome. All right, looks like we got one of the pieces of the 10 rings. 9 more to go. Now we're gonna work on kicking, okay? So I haven't tried yet. Good, can you? Awesome. All right, hands up, fighting stance. Good. All right, we're gonna review front kick. I'm gonna say front kick. Awesome. So a front kick is when you bend your knee and you snap your leg up and down just like that, okay? So let's practice that together. Hands up just like this, and everyone go front kick. Good, good. Front kick. Nice, good job, everybody. Front kick. Good. Front kick. Good. Front kick. Good. 1 more. Front kick. Awesome. All right, let's do the up leg this time. Ready? Go front kick. Good. Front kick. Good job. Front kick. Good. Front kick. 1 more. Front kick. Awesome. Good work, you guys. High five. Very, very good work. Okay, now this time we're going to play a little game with Dojo. Come here, Dojo. Alright, now here's what's going to happen, okay? Dojo is going to stack up a bunch of bananas. Now, what's going to happen is that we got to kick each banana stack from low all the way up to the very highest one, okay? That's what we're going to do. So he's going to be tossing some bananas at us from his stack, and we're going to kick low, middle, high, all the way up as high as we can. Ready? Hands up like this, and everyone go front kick. Good, a little higher now. Front kick. Good, front kick. 1 more, front kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Let's do the other leg this time. Ready, Dojo? Ready, and front kick. Good, front kick. Good, front kick. 1 more, front kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Good, look at that. We got the 2nd ring. Now the 3rd one we're going to do is work on some defense. Okay, we're going to work on blocking. Hands up just like this. Awesome, alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to be blocking the sides of our head, and then we're going to block our face just like this. Okay, so ready, hands up like this. So let's take this elbow, Evan, block. Good, block, cover. Awesome, good, good. Now make sure when you cover, make sure I can still see you, right? Don't cover your face. Can't see what's coming. Make sure you have a little opening, okay? Ready, and go, cover, cover, block. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, go cover, cover, block. Awesome, good, good, cover, cover, block. Awesome, one more, ready, go, cover, cover, block. Awesome, now this time we're gonna work on slipping and rolling. I'm gonna say slip, and I'm gonna say roll. Now slip doesn't mean you slip in a banana peel. What it means is that you slip your head out of the way if there's straight punches coming towards you. Okay, so let's practice that. Hands like this. Good, we're gonna slip this way. Everyone go slip. Now this way now, slip. Good work, slip. Good, slip. Good, slip. Good, slip. Good, slip. And slip. Awesome, all right, now this time we're gonna play a little game, okay? Here's what's gonna happen with Dojo. Come here, Dojo. Awesome, all right, so Dojo is gonna be throwing some different ninja stars at you. When he throws the ninja star, make sure you guys are slipping out of the way. Okay, so I'm gonna be over here as your guide. Dojo's gonna be right here. He's gonna throw the ninja stars at you. Make sure you slip your head out of the way when it gets close to the screen. Okay, so hands up. Ready, Dojo? All right, ready? And everyone slip. Good, good, slip. Good, slip. Good work, slip. Good, slip. Good, slip. And slip. Awesome, all right, now this time Dojo's gonna go rapid fire. He's gonna go 10 at a time. Ready? You gotta do 10 slips really fast. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, good. We got the third ring. We worked on our punches, we worked on our kicks, we worked on some blocking. Now this time, we're gonna work on our footwork. Okay, so number 4, footwork. Okay? All right, ready yet? Can you? Awesome. All right, hands up, fighting stance. Good. All right, so here's our practice. Here's what we're gonna practice. We're gonna practice something called a yop step. I'm gonna say yop. Awesome. Okay, so yop means I'm gonna take my front foot, I'm gonna keep it here. I'm gonna take my back foot and we're gonna pivot. So we turn this way. Okay, in boxing, we call it a 90-degree pivot. Okay? So here's what we're gonna practice. Hands up like this. Good. Let's go ahead and yop step. Go and yop. Good, nice, good, and come back. Ready, and yep. Good, good, good. Again, and yep. Good, good job, you guys. Ready, and yep. Good, good. 2 more times. Ready, yep. Good, good, nice. 1 more time. Yep. Awesome, fantastic job, you guys. High five. Good, good, awesome. Now we're gonna add another footwork. This time, we're gonna yop first. Then we're gonna go up chin. That means forward. Up chin. And then go backward, hujin. Okay, so let's practice that together. Ready? And then we go yup, up chin, hujin. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, yup, up chin, hujin. Good, and come back 1 more time. Ready? Go yup, up chin, hujin. Nice, very good job, you guys. High five. Down low, too slow. Down low, slow. Down low. Nice, nice, very good job. Awesome. All right, we got the next ring now. This time. Number 5, we're gonna slow things down a little bit. We're gonna practice some deep breathing. So I'll go ahead and take your hands, put them on your stomach here. Now, we're gonna breathe in for 4 seconds and breathe out for 7 seconds. Okay, so ready? Take a deep breath in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, deep breath in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now these next time of breathing, this time we're going to breathe in for 6 seconds and then breathe out for 10 seconds. Okay, so ready? Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. feel a little sleepy, that might happen, right? So take a deep breath in, deep breath out, get your energy. All right, we got the next ring. Now for this one, here's what we're gonna practice. How much are you at? Good, yeah? Awesome. All right, guys, so we're gonna do some virtual padwork now, okay? So hands up like this, fighting stance. Good, so here's how this is going to work. When I hold up this pad, I want you guys to throw a jab punch. When I hold up this pad, throw a cross punch. If it's straight in front of you like this, I want you guys to throw a hook punch. If I hold it like this, that means I want you to roundhouse kick. I want you to kick the target like that. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, hands up like this. Good, ready, everyone go jab. Good, good. Cross. Good, good work. Hook. Awesome. Round kick. Good, round kick. Good, good. Try your best to keep up. Ready? Go jab. Good. Cross. Good. Hook. Round kick. Round kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Ready? Go jab. Cross. Hook. Round kick. Round kick. Awesome. All right, here's our next challenge. I'm going to hold the pads like this. I want you guys to throw punches non-stop for 20 seconds. All right, you guys got 20 seconds. Ready? And go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Awesome, good job you guys, awesome. Now we got 2 more rings left, 2 more. So we're gonna get 1 here by doing kicks. So we just earned 1 for punches, now we're gonna do it for kicks. So when I say go, we do 20 seconds on this side to get the 1 ring, and then 20 seconds the other. So we have all 10 rings, okay? So ready, and go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow, good job, you guys. Deep breath in, deep breath out. All right, one last one. We get the 10th ring, then we're all finished. Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Very good job, you guys. High five. Very good work today. We got all 10 rings. Now, last thing we're going to do today, we're just going to announce the new giveaway winner. Now, if you're today's giveaway winner, you will get these pads. Now, here's how you enter to win. You have to be a subscriber, and you also have to like the video. So, if you like the video and subscribe, at the end of every video, I will announce a new winner. Okay? So, let's go ahead and see who won the contest today. Awesome. So, parents, if this is you or if this is your child's name, please message me at the About page section of my channel, so that way I can get your contact information. Also, one last announcement. We are doing an awesome thing. We're going to be creating a brand new app. So this app is going to be available on TVs pretty soon. If you guys want to be the first to know when it comes out, it's going to have all sorts of stuff. It's going to have excerpts from our comic books. It's going to have new videos that come out on a regular basis over there. We're going to have continued stories. So if you guys seen some of the videos on YouTube and you're like, what happens next? It's going to be on that app. Okay, so make sure you click the link down below, because I'm going to be giving a very special discount for the first 100 people that get in our app. Okay, so make sure you click the link down below so that way you guys know when it comes out. Okay, you guys did a fantastic job today. Chariet? Kanye? Awesome. I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.